Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes. This video will show you how to enter the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes while driving south on the frontage road after passing Basswood Blvd. Whether you are turning south from Basswood Blvd or continuing south on the I-35W frontage road, move over to the left lane when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discounts through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more info on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. The entrance to the NTE 35W TEXpress Lanes is on the left immediately after passing under the white pricing sign. We hope you enjoy your trip and we'll see you next time.